So, Lieutenant Colonel retired Mark Weger was surprised today because we are going to be the flag bearers for the flag ceremony, and you get to be the man of honor.
I'm ready.
Currently, all of us are doing what we like to call the hurry up and wait. Right now, all of us and Mark's family and friends are all here, and Tammy, who's my friend, so she's welcome to be here, are doing what we like to call the hurry up and wait as we wait for the ceremony to start, which starts at 5 o'clock, which is in about 5 to 10 minutes. So, one of the things that's coming that we weren't expecting, we were expecting the flag ceremony. One of the things that's coming we weren't expecting, hey Sammy, we get to be in marching band again.
I know, we get to do marching band again.
Michelle, you too.
Roll your feet.
Make sure you roll your feet.
Gotta roll your feet.
Yo, well, all of us get to march down the street with the Main Street Philharmonic. And those of you who watch my channel know how much I love them.
Oh, they're gonna take him to
Can't wait.
Hello, we are the Dapper and on behalf of the Main Street Philharmonic, our Magic Kingdom Security Color Guard, and Main Street Operations, we are pleased and proud to welcome you to today's Flag Retreat Ceremony here in Town Square. Our Town Square Flag Retreat Ceremony is one of our original Magic Kingdom traditions. We are honored that you have taken time from your day to become part of that tradition with us.
Right now, please join us in saying the Pledge of Allegiance.
Present arms!
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Order, arms!
And now, our national anthem.
And now, please join us in singing God Bless America.
privilege to have with us today a very special Armed Forces Honored Representative. Please join us in welcoming today's Armed Forces Honored Representative. From the United States Air Force, Lieutenant Colonel Mark Weger, all the way from Winter Garden, Florida. How about a round of applause, folks?
Behind the cart on the left.
Good afternoon, may I have your attention please? Magic Kingdom proudly honors Mark Weger as our honorary Armed Forces representative of the day, this 5th day of February 2023.
Hey!